Here at MMX Sand Track for the fall series round number 1. They got the sand track running clockwise now, so the kids are really liking the track this way. So they're having fun out here. Corbin already had his first 65 gate drop, 65 beginner, practically hole shotted it, did awesome. And really proud of him. His bike, his brand new cast gas, isn't really running. It's got some sputters in it, not sure what it is. Trying to figure that out. But Cameron went out. There's only 3 kids in his class, Dane, Georgie, and him. So he ended up with a 3rd. We've had about 2 months off since Mammoth, so he's still kind of getting the feel of it. And we got Cameron's 85 beginner, because Cameron's running 85 beginner today and 65H. So they're liking the track, they're liking it this direction, better than the other direction, and it's hot. There goes the 50. We got Corbin's 50 coming up right after Cameron's 85.
Let me into my zone, please don't let me into my zone. Let me into my zone, let me into my zone. Let me into my zone, please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that, take you down, I'ma say that. Money me a couple dollars, telling you now this payback. So I take that, ask them now what say that. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now, all these lanes gonna zone out, and all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they switch and they bust till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move when I'm cold at. So gone, I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me grown. Can't answer my phone now, this nigga there that tone. All in can't leave me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. All in can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Let me into my zone, let me into my zone. Let me into my zone, please don't let me in. Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time of my own. All these people trying to get a conversation, need some conversation, that tone. My God up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in, I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at, making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense, my life gone, no recess, but I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. All in can't beat me up, cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now.
That's a wrap. We're back from Marysville MMX Sand Track, first round of the fall series. And we had Corbin Raced in the 50 age group, and then we had 7 and 8 year olds. And then he also raced beginner 65 for the first time. So Corbin, what'd you get overall for your 50 class?
So on that one I got 4th overall.
And then on the 65, first time doing a gate drop on the 65. Got a 10th overall. He did awesome. We practiced some starts the night before. He only practiced 5 starts and was just about getting the whole shot on him. I think they called you out for a whole shot on one of them.
But I didn't. I think it was.
I think it was one of the other racers, but it was really close.
I don't think it was Dean. I think.
But didn't go down on it at all. Did really good, and so he's going to be racing 50 and 65, and then we'll be done with the 50 here pretty soon. And Cameron raced 65, 10 to 11, and 85 beginner. Technically his first big track 85. He did last fall race the 85 briefly at Little Okie, a small track.
That doesn't really count.
But he got out there. How was the 85?
It was good, just like the second moto, I got a lot of like
head shake. He's getting a lot of head shake on that bike. We're still trying to figure that out. It's a 17, so it's an older bike, so we're just kind of letting him get used to it. But what'd you get? Like a 17th?
a 17th out of like 22.
Out of 22, and then his age group 10 to 11 class. There was just 3 of them. There was him, Dane, and Georgie, and
they were both faster than me.
Dane's, you know, Loretta kid, awesome kid, just rips. Just got back from Loretta. And then him and Georgie have been really, really close at the beginning of this year, but Georgie just progressed a lot, and he was really fast on the track this week, so he did a great job. So the kids had fun. It was just the 3 of them out there riding the track, and now we're gonna get ready for Hollister in a couple weeks, and we got the bikes all washed. You can see them all back behind us, so we got to get them all prepped. We washed them today, got that sand from the sand track off of them, made a mess, but we're ready for Hollister. It'll be our first time racing there. We heard it's a fun track.